So, what is a stock split? Put simply, it is when a publicly held company increases the number of shares to boost the stock's liquidity. Often, it essentially splits into two stocks. All stockholders now have double the number of shares, yet the value remains the same. Sometimes companies will split stocks in 3 or 4, but again, the value remains the same. So in a 2-for-1 split, if one owns 25 shares in company A at $10 per stock, they now own 50 shares at $5. Why? There are several reasons. One would be affordability to the prospective investor. If the price gets too high, for example, due to lack of supply and high demand, they will split the stock. Since the stock has been halved, so has the price of a single stock, thereby making it more attractive. Splitting stock can also result in visibility. It draws attention to the stock, so perhaps casual investors may take a look at said stock. So in a way, it could be considered a good thing by making stocks more available. What is the downside? For investors, not much. For the company, it is a costly endeavor, not only in terms of legal fees and whatnot, but perhaps the split draws unintended negative attention or wrong investor set.